Hey, welcome to Fix It. Today I will show you how to set Siri only for my voice. Let's go. This can be useful if you want to ensure that only you can activate and access Siri's features on your device. First of all, open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Then scroll down until you see an option called Siri and search. Now tap on it. After that, tap where it says Listen for Tap and select the Off option. Now Siri is turned off on your iPhone. To turn it back on, tap and select Siri, or just Hey Siri. Now you can set up Siri only for your voice. Tap Continue, and then you have to read out loud what appears on the screen of your iPhone. Just be as loud and clear as you possibly can. When you are reading these sentences, it is also ideal to be in a quiet place, because it makes it easy for Siri to learn and identify your unique voice. Once you have completed the voice recognition process, Siri will now respond exclusively to your voice. When you say Hey Siri or Siri, this added layer of security can help prevent unauthorized access to your device's voice assistant features. Now, you can enjoy the convenience of hands-free interaction with Siri, while ensuring that it responds only to your voice commands. Thanks for choosing Fix It again. Hopefully I fixed your problem today. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about the video.